Which shape you are drawing first?
Triangle.
Very good. Triangle has how many sides?
3.
Okay, what is next?
Square.
Square has how many sides?
4.
Okay, let's draw.
Square.
Wow. After 4, which number?
5.
Very good. 5 means which shape? You can see my sheet if you want. You can check my sheet. 5 is which shape?
Pentagon.
Very good. So pentagon has how many sides? Pen.
5.
Very good. Okay, you can draw. Huh? You can copy my shape. Very good. I'm proud of you, Rivan. Very nice. It's okay. You can still be better. We'll practice every day. Then you will be able to draw. It's okay. It's okay.
Mama, I can black.
Now what you are going to do? Are you going to color your shapes?
Yeah.
Okay. Do coloring now.
I'll take black color triangle. Done.
Okay. Which is left?
Black.
Which is that shape?
Okay.
Tick against the triangle.
Triangle.
Good. Now what is next?
A square.
Very good. Now what's next?
This.
Which is that shape?
Pentagon.
Very good.
तू नहीं क्यों stick करूँ? This नहीं. Who stick करूँ? Who stick करें now? Who stick करें now? To sticking. I'm sticking activity. Shape sticking activity. Now this one.
Which is that shape? Which is this shape?
Hexagon.
Correct.
Try hexagon. Yes.
Do that later. First stick it. Finish your sticking.
I'm not here.
It's okay. We'll wipe it.
Give me please.
Very nice. Very good. So, what we have done? We have done shapes. Now, can you tell me where is pentagon?
Here.
Very good. How many sides pentagon has?
1.
Very good. Which is hexagon? Hexagon has how many sides?
6.
Very nice. Square has how many sides?
4.
And triangle?
3.
Very good. Say thank you.
Thank